Okay, here we are at Suite 2504 at the Venetian South Tower, formerly Venezia Tower. Now they've already kind of moved in here a little bit, but I figure I'll get some footage here since might as well. Walk in and review the exit plan map first. To lock the door, I believe you pull up on this lever. Yeah, same thing a time lock said. Okay, so when you come in, mirror on the right, bathroom on the left. Huge bathroom. Full shower, full bathtub, double sinks, even a makeup station, and of course the toilet. Normally I would run all of this stuff. Whoop, I'm tripping on the floor mat. See here. Decent pressure. There's lights above there. There's gotta be another switch on that. Oh, there's 3. Holy crap, that's a lot of lights. It's a good thing we ain't paying the power bill. Bathtub. Yeah. Everything in here is weird. One thing weird is this is the hot, this is the cold. I don't know about that sink, I haven't tried it yet. The door has a mirror on it. Doesn't lock. Nothing in here locks. It's kind of weird. There's the toilet. Water sailing toilets. Decent sized toilet room too. Oof, I'm hitting the door. Okay, so continuing on from the bathroom. This is a suite door on the right. We do not have access. Our friends here have already put up their fancy RGB lights. These do not come with the room. I hate to break it to y'all. Okay, if we open the closet, there is a light in the closet. Full-size wall safe. Iron board and everything. Unfortunately, the room isn't in perfect condition, but it's not bad right now. That light over there, I wonder if I can turn that on. There's 2 more switches over here. I don't know what those just did. This room is huge, though. You step down into a living area from the bed space area here. That's crazy. See if I can turn this on, this light. This one looks kind of cool. Oh, there we go. Nothing in the drawer. That's a sick light. I like that light. And then there's a, God, this has got to be like 65, 55-inch TV, something like that. Very nice setup in here. Everybody and their fans. Well, mostly just Sam, actually. Sam loves his fan. Full couch. I think that's where I'm sleeping. There's 5 of us in here, so. It seems cold. The other one is the pay for food fridge, so I'm not gonna touch that. Or anything in that shelf there. You touch that, it charges you. Oh, I got hiccups. I don't assume this. Yeah. That's pretty crazy. Dang. check out the view outside. Okay, I can't see shit. I should have said that. I mean, I don't really care, but yeah, the lights are a little bright to be able to like actually see out the window, and it's night. So looks like there's a Caesars over there. I forgot that we're on the north end of the strip actually, and then there's Harrah's, which is considerably dark, and then the High Roller. There's a better time today to like look at that, but unfortunately, that is not right now. Very cool. Ooh, tripping on things too. All their junk is everywhere. Darn. I recovered. We're good. Cool. So that will be it.